I'm Tish, and I'm a real estate agent in Ontario, Canada. And thank you so much for coming to my channel. Super excited to talk about what's been happening in the Hamilton market. Wow, what a February we had. So it has been an explosive of sales in the month of February. And I'm going to break down what's been happening, what effect the interest rate hike is going to have on the market, and really excited to bring you some details. So yes, I do live in Hamilton. I've lived in Hamilton for almost 4 years now, and love every minute of it. Pricing has just continued to increase. The demand for the area has continued to increase, and going to break down what's been going on and whether you should actually, consider selling a home or consider purchasing in Hamilton. So let's go into the meat of today's presentation. So 71% sales increase in month over month for February, which is amazing. There are 1,675 new listings in February, which is up by 84.2% month over month. And the average price for residential home in Hamilton has skyrocketed to 1.104, 163, which is an increase of 4.2% over the previous month. So in just 1 month, the average price in Hamilton for a home has gone up by 4.2%. Crazy. So what I wanted to touch on is if you are considering to sell, I think it's important for you to start by first getting an idea as to what your home's worth in value is, because this market is moving so fast. And if you were looking at, home values 6 months ago or had a home evaluation 6 months ago, it may be a completely different home evaluation today. So it's important to stay on top of what your home's true value is, and I'd be more than happy to provide you with the market evaluation so that you have an idea as to what your home's true value is in this current market, because it is a very fast-moving, constant price increase market. And then overall, we've seen an increase of 30.3% compared to February of last year. I mean, just an explosion in sales, guys. It is a really exciting time in the real estate market. So let's break down a little bit more details. So sales activity, when we compare 2022 February to 2021 February, we've actually seen a slight decrease in comparison to the previous year. The dollar volume, wow, as I said before, gone up 31.7%. So that's insane. That is insane. It's like a 200,000 increase. Wow. And then new listings are slightly up by 5.4%, which is lovely. Love to see that. Active listings slightly down by 22.2%. Months of inventory slightly down by 0.2. The average price skyrocketed, guys, 31.0%. The median price also skyrocketed to 32.4%. Median days on market is interesting. So it's pretty much the same, right? From last year, February, to this year. And average days on market, no surprise there, has definitely decreased. So average days on market is now at 9.1, whereas in last year, February, it was at 13.5. So market's a lot more aggressive right now. So not surprising that we see homes stay on the market for a little bit less time than last February. And then in terms of price breakdown, not going to go into this in too much detail, but for the Hamilton West, there's been a price jump of nearly 200,000. The East, again, over 200,000. Hamilton Center, well over 100,000. Hamilton Mountain, wow, guys, this is wow. This is interesting, right? It's incredible how much pricing has increased. So one of the factors to what's been kind of happening with the Hamilton market and why pricing continues to increase is we do have a lot of people who live in the GTA who are now looking to move to the outskirts because of COVID. So, they've been bottled up in their condos, or they find that they need that extra space. They're working from home, not having to commute as much. So they're looking for homes on the outskirts of the GTA and looking to move in Hamilton. And no, Hamilton is not considered the Greater Toronto Area. So yes, they're looking for outskirts of Hamilton, such as Hamilton area. So that's just driven pricing and demand in this area up tremendously. So if you're a seller, there's a ton of value because your price has increased substantially. So again, you may want to start by finding out your home's value. Contact me, I'd be happy to let you know. And then from there, deciding if it's great for you to sell. And then from a buying perspective, interest rates have actually gone up slightly. So the Bank of Canada has actually increased interest rates by 0.5%. So you want to, in my opinion, the next 3 months, consider purchasing, because what it's going to do is it's going to cause a lot of buyers to be a little bit scared to actually enter the market. We've actually been seeing already some slowdown in the amount of offers we're getting for homes. So it's definitely kind of a nice little window of opportunity to purchase and not face as much competition. So definitely a good market for sellers, as well a great market for buyers right now. So I would say you have about a 90-day window to take advantage of the market at its current state. So again, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and enjoy your day. Take care. Bye-bye.